In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall TradingOcta app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. To do this, you need to go to your apps on your smartphone. So this has listed all the apps that I have, and my TradingOcta app is here. If you long press on it, you'll have a shortcut to uninstall the app from here. Tap on uninstall to uninstall it. However, if you can't find or see an installation option, then you need to go to the App Store or Play Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store, search for my app. So I'll search for TradingOcta, and if I search, it is here. If you open more details, you'll see we have an option to uninstall it. So you can uninstall the app straight from here, and it will be removed from your smartphone completely unless you go ahead and install it. So if you go to your apps, now you can see I no longer have TradingOcta app on my smartphone. So that's how you can uninstall TradingOcta app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.